Badges in SwiftUI are text views. You can use them to convey optional and supplementary information about a view. Badges normally appear in list rows as indicated here, menus, and also tab bars. In this example, I'll show you how to display badges in SwiftUI in the three locations mentioned: list rows, tab bars, and menus. To display a badge in a list, we can define an array containing these items. Then we create a list over here and use the badge modifier to display the number of badges. A badge in SwiftUI is text view, so over here we can use a hard-coded value, for example 5. You have noticed the badge in the list has changed to 5. Let's undo the change. So in this example, we dynamically display the number of items in the list. And as you have noticed here, we have 3 items. That is how you can display a badge in a list. The second example is also similar to this one. Let's put a comment here and uncomment this line. For this example, we define an array of servers. Then we use the badge modifier along with ternary conditional operation to display the badge in the list. With the next example, we add the badge in a tab bar. Over here, we add these tab bar items. We have 2 tab bar items, so we add it to the second tab bar item. That also uses the number of recent items. That is the one we defined here. For the last example, we add the badge to a text in a menu. This example also uses the recent items count. So this is how to add and display badges in SwiftUI. You normally display it in 3 places: list rows, menus, and tab bars.